For this AR multiplayer game, the player create his own common physical spaces, where the player can shoot the zombies, and the zombies, whenever attack the player, automatically it shooted by the player, and it automatically died. And AR multiplayer game, and it has been used Unity engine and Google Arcore and multi-device coordinate synchronization system, the crucial function allowing multiplayers to see the virtual content aligned in the same physical location. Because of network interaction, which is real-time interaction with shared virtual object and synchronized game state among players. This is mixed reality co-presence computational designing challenges.